In this video, I'll show you how to add recipients to your Brevo email campaigns quickly and efficiently. Start by logging into your Brevo account and going to the Campaigns tab. Click Create a Campaign. Choose your campaign type, name it, and set your sender info. Next, it's time to add your recipients. Brevo lets you upload your email list or manually enter addresses. On the free plan, you can add up to 300 emails per campaign. Make sure your list is accurate and up to date for the best results. After adding recipients, continue customizing your campaign. Check your sender details, write a compelling subject line, design your email using templates or the drag and drop editor, and make any additional adjustments. Finally, preview and test your email to see how it looks across devices, then schedule it to go out at the ideal time. And that's it. You've successfully added recipients and are ready to send impactful campaigns in Brevo. Like, subscribe, and keep optimizing your email marketing.